Hi, this is Abhijit and welcome to Abhi's Creation. And today's project is obstacle avoiding robot. So in this project we are using ultrasonic sensor. In this project, ultrasonic sensor sense if any object nearby 20 cm, it sends the signal to the Arduino and Arduino stop the car and rotate the left side. So you can see that if any obstacle will come, it will automatically stop and then turn the left side. In this project, we are using different electronic components, that is Arduino Uno, 2 lithium-ion battery, 1 servo motor, 1 ultrasonic sensor, 2 wheels, 2 motors and a motor driver. And for the cover, we are using sunboard. So if anyone wants to make any type of project, please contact us. Thank you for watching this video. Take care.